All right, this replaces my previous GE washer, which lasted less than 5 years. I guess GE stands for general erosion. I guess we'll find out how long this LG washer lasts, but so far I am very impressed. So this is the washer here. I don't really mess with the controls here on the right, and all I want this thing to do is just last more than 4 years. Water lines are not included when you buy new washers, so keep that in mind. I already had them, so I did not buy new ones. This has a very deep tub. If you are a short person, I was thinking you may not be able to reach all the way at the bottom to grab all your clothes. This particular one has no agitator spindle in the middle. It's called Impeller wash. I don't know if that's better or worse. Pull out tab for the softener and detergent. And once again, the tub there, the bleach there, limited liquid bleach only. Insertion there on the left. I love the soft drop top lid. Oh, I love smooth and quiet. This reminds me of the first time I drove a Lexus. So I think LG stands for Lexus Good, right? Instead of Life's Good. Okay, I was trying to be funny there. All right, while you push, soft push to turn it on. Lights come on. You just turn to pick the cycle of wash that you want. And you push to start, push to pause. I will not start it. Again, I do not mess with the controls on the right. I don't mess with that. Yes, a 10-year warranty on the inverter direct drive motor. Push to cancel. And I did notice that this has smart diagnosis. Connects with your smartphone, the LG Q app, something like that, which is probably not something I will use from the LG website. All right, so this is a WT6100 CTW top loading washer impeller with turbo drum technology. I noticed that the drain hose is connected internally to the washer. I don't know if that's better or worse, to be quite honest. But so far, I am very impressed with how quiet this thing is. I mean, wow, just wow, quiet. All right, America's most reliable line of appliances. I guess I'll find out in 4 years. They say here, yes, it can cost as much as $500 to repair an appliance. Why would you want to spend $500 plus? Again, I just love the soft drop lid. The first time I drove my cousin's Lexus when he was test driving it, I said, take your Cadillac and flush it down the toilet. That's how quiet the Lexus was. But that's for a different show, the Lexus podcast, number 3, I think, if I ever get around to doing that. Anyway, moving on. Top rated by Consumer Reports, as you see here. Now, the warranty information here, the labor and parts is 1 year only. And LG, if you make the best, if you truly make the best, why only 1 year parts and labor? Shouldn't it be a little more? Just a consumer observation. Now, I'm not saying that the LG washer won't last 1 year, but it should be more than 1 year parts and labor if you are the best. Now, there is extended coverage that apparently is included. The stainless steel tub is 3 years. And the motor, direct drive motor, is 10 years. Now, that part's good. But the parts and labor, I don't know, man. I think it should be more. Look, I think all consumers are ticked off at how things have become. What's that term that blogger used? Products have become enshittified. I think that's the word. Anyway, I will post a link for this below down in the show notes. This is the LG 4.3 ultra large capacity top loading washer with impeller and turbo drum technology. So far, LG, I'll give you credit. Smooth, quiet, again, wow, just wow.